Hello and welcome to another demonstration of a vintage classic toy. What you will be viewing is a 1965 big job dump truck with Zazoom, the Sound of Power, by Marx. As you can see, it's a very large toy, and we happen to have a really nice example that was made by the Marx Toy Company. Has its original box, has its original inserts, and the original instruction sheet. And I think you'll be pleased with the demonstration of this toy. So let's go ahead and take it out and check it out. Okay, as you can see, it has its inserts. I'm going to slide this out. Okay, I'm going to move the box. And as you can see, we have the Marx Big Job with its original inserts. So let me go ahead and take those out. Front insert. And just for the sake of a little more room, I'm going to move the inserts. Okay folks, so here we have it, and just to show you, it comes with its original instruction sheet. One thing about Marx Toys, boy, when they made an instruction sheet, they made an instruction sheet. This baby is large. This is the original two-sided instruction sheet. These themselves are tough to find. As you can see, there's a little yellowing from the way it's been folded and just sitting in this box since 1965. Okay, the truck is really cool and really big, as you can see, and there's a horn here that a kid could press down. You can hear that, and it's pretty sturdy because you have to press pretty good to get the horn to work. Okay, there's two switches on the top. One switch, which is on the left side, is the power steering. And if you look, you can see the wheels turn. Pretty cool. Okay, and then the other switch, which is on the passenger side, controls the truck to go forward or backwards. Okay, the dump truck also works, and it has a transmission here, and there's a neutral, and there's a drive, and there's the dump truck. So let's go ahead and test out the dump truck. Okay, and I'm going to switch the gear into dump. And as you can see, the dump truck is starting to raise. Now let's stop it for a second. Now to add realism to your Marx Big Job, they included a little motor on the back. And there's a little switch, and it will simulate motor sound. And you can control the adjustment on this thing, and trust me, it's really loud. I'm wondering if many of these trucks didn't survive due to the noise these made. Can you imagine parents sleeping in on a Saturday morning and hearing this? As you can tell, that motor is really loud. Okay, now the dump truck has raised the dump truck part all the way, and now it's in neutral. To make it go down, you just put the switch in reverse, engage the transmission, let's have some of that realism noise. Okay, let's adjust the power steering. Okay, and let's put the truck in reverse. And engage the transmission to drive. Actually, I had it on going forward. Now you can also change the direction of the steering, but I'm going to leave it kind of turned so it doesn't go off the table. And you'll notice there's a lever here. If you push down on that while the car's going forward, it'll stop. As you can see, this allowed a kid to quickly stop the truck instead of fumbling with the switch. Now I adjusted the power steering. Okay folks, there you have it. You got a 1965 Marx Toys Big Job dump truck. All functions fully work. These are the original factory applied stickers. Okay, and there's stickers on both sides. No cracks. No deep scratches. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 9.5. And actually a little higher, but I tend to grade a little bit lower. You can see it's got the other stickers. Just a tip for you folks. If you happen to have one of these, okay, make sure that your battery door is really secured, because the latch has a tendency to come loose and this door will hang down, and when you go to place the truck down, it'll snap the battery cover right off of here. And it's not a pleasant experience. Also, the sound comes out of this little area here, and there's a mechanism inside. For some reason, these like to stick. So if you have one of these and the sound portion isn't working, go ahead and tap on it a few times. A lot of times that'll kick it into work, especially if your toy's been sitting in the box for a long time. So folks, like I said, there you have it. 1965 Marx Big Job with Zazoom, the sound of power, by Marx. Thanks for reviewing.